Okay. See, today we are going to discuss 10th science question paper. Today's test. Okay. Today there was a test, right? What was the date? Yeah, 16 after 15th August it was. Correct. Yeah. So today's science paper of guitars we are going to discuss. I can see that questions are not, it is blurred, but I'm going to dictate, I'm going to read out the question so you will get the idea. So what was the first question? Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt. They only give it is a basic salt. So this is a basic salt because of what region? So there were options are there, strong acid, strong base and all. But when it is a basic salt, obviously, there should be a strong base. So weak acid plus strong base will give you basic salt. Am I right? Weak acid and strong base will give you basic salt. So weak acid, strong base means D option. Correct? Second question, if I see, natal sting is a natural source of which? Natal sting. Natal, natal leaves will be there and his prick will get acid. So that acid is methanoic acid, also called formic acid. So that acid answer is methanoic acid, right? It was in fill in the blank. Tooth enamel is a hardest substance in your body. It is because of which chemical, calcium carbonate. Normally people can confuse, but it is teeth made up of calcium carbonate. Tooth enamel is calcium phosphate. So B option, calcium phosphate. Remember, calcium phosphate. So this is the B option. Color of the phenolphthalein in sodium hydroxide. Everyone knows that phenolphthalein is a basic indicator. Yeah, phenolphthalein is a basic indicator. So phenolphthalein is a basic in sodium hydroxide. Which color? Sodium hydroxide is a base color. It is a basic indicator. So obviously it will give pink color. So answer is pink color. B option. Then 1 minute. Oh, right. So I just erased the fifth question now, which is not an acidic salt. They gave options CuSO4. It is an acidic salt visible because sulfuric acid is there. Correct now. H2SO4 is a strong acid. Copper hydroxide will be there. Okay. So this A option is an acidic salt. B option is what bar? Okay. Ammonium chloride. So this also HCl is there. It is a strong acid. So this also is an acidic salt. FeCl3. It is also an acidic salt because again HCl is there. CH3COONA. This is a basic salt. Actually, it is a basic salt. Why? Because strong base is there and weak acid is there. So D option is correct for the fifth one. D option. Because the D is which salt? It is a basic salt. Actually, D is a basic salt. I know the picture is blurred, but I'm reading the question, so you will not be having any issue with that question paper. Soil A and soil B, two soil are there. Okay, let us write soil A having the pH 8. Soil B is there, the pH is 3 they gave. To soil B, what nature of substance we will add to adjust the pH? We know the soil should not be having a pH like it should be around 5 to 7 like that. Correct now? So what to the soil 3? They are asking soil B. Yeah, soil B. To this, what kind of substance we will add? So to this, what kind of substance you will add? Okay, to soil B. B is acidic in nature. It is acidic, right? Soil B is acidic. So you need to add basic substances. Correct now. So you will add basic substances. Obviously to adjust the pH, you will add basic substances. Right? Next, wait, we'll erase it. So seventh question is mixing of acid with water is what kind of reaction? Exothermic. A highly exothermic reaction it is. Mixing of acid with water. Highly exothermic reaction. So seventh one is over. As the pH of neutral solution increases, see, if pH increases, it means it is going towards basic side. pH of neutral solution increases means it is going toward basic side, right? So basic side means what happened? Basic property will increase, correct? And if basic property increase means obviously OH minus also will be increased. So let us see which option. Basic property decreases, no chance. A is not. Acidic property increases, no chance. C option was what? Basic property increases and number of OH minus also increases. So it's a very clearly C option. Basic property increases, OH minus ion also increases. So this is 8th one. 9th one. Glucose and alcohol, whether they conduct electricity, then you should say no, they do not conduct electricity. Why they do not conduct electricity? Because they do not ionize in water. They do not produce ions. They do not produce ions. They do not produce ions. They do not produce ions in water. So when they do not produce ions, so how they can conduct the electricity? So this was the 9th one. 10th one, what are strong acids? So strong acids means the one which will ionize completely, one which will dissociate completely in water. They are called strong acids. Even they'll be having more H plus ions, that also you can write. And what are the examples? HCl, H2SO4, nitric acids, HNO3. So these are the examples you can give for the 10th question. Right, boys and girls? If you get a doubt also, you can tell me. Okay, let me erase. Okay, now 11th one is what? What is universal indicator? See, universal indicator is a mixture of several indicators. It is a mixture of several indicators, and it is the purpose of universal indicator is it is used to find out the strength of acid. It is used to find out the strength of acid and bases. Okay, so what is the strength means, which is like strong acid and weak acid, strong base and weak base. With the help of the pH scale, we can find out the strength of acid. So you just write definition. It is a mixture of several indicators which gives different color for different concentration of hydrogen ion. It gives different color for different concentration of hydrogen ion, and it is used to find the strength of acid or bases. So this was 11th one. 12th one, NaCl plus water. If you pass electricity, it is a chloralkali process. It is a caustic soda will get chlorine and hydrogen liberated. Okay, this is very, very important. In that, this was the A. Now we will go for B. B says H2SO4 dissociation. So it will dissociate into H plus and SO4 minus 2 actually. So H2 means 2H plus. This is it. Okay, the people do not write 2H plus means wrong. This you do not write minus 2, then also you will lose complete mark. These are the two things very important, remember. Now C question was what? It is just like CaOH twice, and this is nothing but dry slake lime actually. Chlorine gas, if you pass, then you will get a bleaching powder. Like you will get CaOCl2 bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride, and water will be there. So this is bleaching powder, also called calcium oxychloride. So this was the reaction. See, this was the second question. Then third question was what? Why excess of carbon dioxide turns milky white to colorless? See, when you pass carbon dioxide to lime water, actually it turns to milky white. So this was a reaction actually. CaOH twice, okay, plus CO2 was there. You got CaCO3 plus water. So this was white color. It was a precipitate, white color precipitate. Actually, it was, and this is insoluble in water. So it is a precipitate, right? White precipitate. So this, if you add continuous carbon dioxide, if you're passing, then this CaCO3 plus water and plus CO2 still continuously, then it will become CaHCO3 twice, calcium hydrogen carbonate, and this is soluble in water. As it is soluble, so it is colorless. So that milky white will become colorless. This is the reason this you should write, because it forms calcium bicarbonate or calcium hydrogen carbonate. If you write this reaction, also will be given a mark. So finally, the if that B question was there, CuO plus HCl. So you will get name the product. So CuCl2 first of all will get, okay, this CuCl2, and then you will get H2O also. So that's it. Balancing will be this. Here you should write, here you should write 2 HCl H2O. This is something bluish green color. Okay, it is bluish green color. So the name is copper chloride. Copper chloride. Full mark, yeah, it's easy. Copper chloride. So if any doubt, message me. Will help you out. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.